How to add credit card to Shein app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add credit cards to your Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can add a credit card to your Shein app and you can also add them so that you can purchase them during the payment process. So for this, all you have to do is open up the Shein app like this. Once you launch the Shein app, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to add the products that you want to add to your shopping bag here. Once you add the products that you want to buy to your shopping bag, just tap the checkout button here. Make sure to enter your shipping details and everything else accordingly. Once you've entered them, under the payment method, if you want to add a credit card, you can see it says payment method, credit or debit card. So all you have to do is just tap on it, make sure to enter the credit card number that you wish and everything else, and then just tap the place order button, and then your order will actually be successfully placed, and then you just have to confirm a payment method to do so. That is it for today's video on how you can actually add a credit card to your Shein app. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.